Alright, today we're going to be talking about transforming literal equations. Alright, and a literal equation is an equation involving two or more variables. Okay, so a lot of times when we have equations like d equals r times t, there are more than just one variable that we're solving for. So a lot of times we want to manipulate the formula in a way um, that will be easier for us. So the first problem we're going to do is solve the formula for the area of a triangle for height h. Okay, so our height h. And if you remember, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now, when it's saying solve for height h, that means we want to get h alone. We want h alone. All right. So we're going to take this problem right here and we're going to get it so h is by itself. So the first thing we need to do is get rid of this half. So I'm going to multiply each side by its reciprocal, which is 2. Okay. So then that half goes away. So then I'm left with 2 times the area equals base times height, or b times h. Okay, now I want to get h alone, so I'm going to divide bh by b, divide by b, so then these two cancel out, and I'm left with h equals 2a, 2a over b. Okay, so now if we were given the area of a triangle and the base of the triangle, and they asked us to give us the height, we would be able to easily solve for that using this new equation. Alright, it's all about moving things around to get it equal to what you want it to be. Okay, so here are some other equations. Alright, so the first thing we have is y minus 4 equals 3x minus 8, and we want to solve for x. So we want x by itself. So in this case, we're going to first add 8 to both sides, because our 3x is over here, so we might as well leave it over here. Okay? And this is a literal equation because it has a y and an x. So then I'm going to be left with y, and negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4, equals 3x. Okay, now I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide by 3. And then since I divided this entire side by 3, I have to divide this entire side by 3. Okay, those go away, and my x is equal to y plus 4 all over 3. And that is our answer. Okay? So our next problem, all right, is going to be over here. And it is m minus hp equals d. And we are solving for b. Okay? So we want to get p by itself. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract m from both sides. Because m is positive, we're going to subtract m. Okay, because then those can go away. And I'm left with negative h p equals d minus m. Okay? Now, I want p by itself, so I'm going to divide by negative h. Okay, divide the entire other side by negative h. Get rid of those. And p equals d minus m all over negative h. Alright, so that is all literal equations is. You're just manipulating it and moving variables around so you can get an equation where you need it to be.